Alright, so this is my new apartment and I'm showing you guys how I set up my apartment here. Big mirror and balcony here, and then my desk. Actually there's a chair here, but I don't sit, I stand up, so there's no chair here. And then that's a little kitchen, good enough for everything that I need. I have a fridge here. See, like empty, almost like chicken breast, egg, cake, pretty empty now. And a lot of like supplements goes here actually. So I have this medal for men's physique competition that I did, and this is Canada, where I lived for like past 8 years. Vancouver, Hollywood, LA. Yeah, it's a pretty cozy bachelor apartment, I would say. Yep. And then I have a bathroom over there. I can show you bathroom, and then this is the entrance. This is the entrance. My clothes, like jacket, coat, and then the vacuum, stuff like that. And this is my bathroom. So open the door, bathtub, and toilet, and sink, and the mirror. It's like pretty minimal stuff that I keep here. Hair dryer, which is important. Yeah, and then everything that I need for like hygiene, what is it called? This thing, what is it? Top of my head. Can't. Yeah, top of my head. What is this? Floss, dental floss. And the shampoo, I use those coconut one shampoo and conditioner, and this is actually heater powered by water, hot water. So that's that. That's pretty standard. Just good enough for one bed for myself. And most importantly, I have a weight scale here. I measure my weight every single day, and I put my weight, keep track of it using my FitnessPal. Because what you can't measure, you cannot improve, right? So you need to start measuring everything in terms of like food, calories, weight, how much food do you eat. And once you get used to it, then you can kind of guess how much you are eating, and you can guess your daily caloric intake. I've been doing that for like almost 2-3 years, so like I don't need to measure my weight. Speaking of which, I used to use this weight scale. I don't use it anymore because I can guess almost everything, and I tend to eat like kind of similar stuff, so I don't need to. And this is the balcony. It's at night, so you can't really see. That's about that. Don't really have anything else actually. Oh, this is my full frame camera setup. This is a Sony A7 Mark II, and this is a camera ring on top and a Gorilla Pod, and then this is actually a mic input. So it's pretty sick setup for full frame camera. And on top of that, I have a Mavic drone, but I don't have actual body right now because I sent it to repair center to get it fixed for this gimbal here. So I don't have it right now. It's in another city. And then up here is little a lot of my electronics here, like external hard disks, whatnot. And that's about that. It's pretty standard, and it's actually not easy it's actually not easy to get this kind of apartment in Munich because it's super competitive to it's super duper competitive to get apartment in Munich. It is like, you know, real estate price is going up crazy. So everywhere you go, you're basically competing, and the competition is like one person, you know, one apartment, you're competing for like 20 people. And especially like city center like this, you know, for a good price, basically you have no chance to get pretty decent apartment, one bed, because everybody wants like one bed apartment, right? And then so what comes down to in terms of, you know, what determines whether you can get an apartment like this is basically basic income. Higher the salary, your salary better for sure, because you're basically, you know, more money you make, that's more guarantee or confidence for the apartment owner, property owner, so that you pay rent on time and you never run out of money. Other thing is your profession. Like if you have like a pretty stable and socially recognized white collar job like accountant, software engineer, lawyer, doctor, those are pretty high paying occupations, then you have advantage over other people who are just working at McDonald's, or who are students, or who are just office worker. So as a software engineer myself, and as you know, we get like software engineer get preferential treatments from you know, those apartment owners because we are pretty stable, high paying job, and one of the best jobs out there right now in terms of demand, amount of demand, and flexibility, and level of income. So I was pretty lucky because I talked to my coworkers, and then even my coworkers are software engineers, right? So it's not like they're like normal people, like people with normal job. They're kind of similar, they have the same job as me, and then but still my coworker told me like, oh, so lucky, how did you get that? And I got it like within a month of searching, or like a month and a half. And this was like pretty cheap, like reasonable, considering the location and all the setup. It's right in the middle, you know, right by the beer garden area, so it's freaking amazing. So yeah, I feel pretty lucky to be able to find an apartment. This is my second apartment in Europe. First one, I also got it within 2 or 3 weeks. So this is like my second time in a row that I got my own apartment within like a month. And I think I can attribute this result to my social skills, as well as how I basically sell myself. I type up really nice introductory email about myself, my career, my personality, if I'm clean, if I'm quiet, if I'm responsible, basically selling myself as a ideal tenant, you know, because that's what you need to do. You're competing against 10 or 15 other people, and how you can differentiate yourself is amount of money, like an income that you're bringing in for financial stability, and also your responsibility, like are you like, you know, quiet, are you like, you know, are you a clean person, are you a tidy person who is not gonna destroy your, you know, the apartment properties, because they're concerned if you're like party animal, or if you're smoking a lot, or if you're playing music and then causing a lot of troubles like noise concerns and complaints to your neighbors, then you don't want to be, then you have less chance to get apartment, right? So for that reason, I sell myself, because you know, that's what I need to do, kind of like a job hunting. You need to sell your strength, and I'm not lying anything. I'm just pretty quiet, I'm pretty calm, I'm pretty tidy, clean, responsible. I pay rent on time, I never miss my rent. So basically I'm like pretty ideal tenant for owners. And on top of that, I'm Japanese, and I think Japanese are known for being respectful, being quiet, being tidy and clean, as opposed to other people from other countries. So yeah, as an Asian and especially Japanese, I think I get I kind of have a little advantage for being Japanese. But on top of that, I have like, pretty stable and first class profession, and also writing up. That's pretty important to kind of impress owner by writing up and selling myself. So I never miss opportunity to advertise myself. So that's how I got this new apartment. It's pretty cool. I'm a minimalist, so what it means is that being minimalist, I don't have much stuff to carry around. So even if this apartment is pretty small, I don't need, to be honest, space. So that's about it for my apartment tour. Hope you enjoyed. This is a kind of a video. In the future, I'm going to be shooting a lot more videos outside, because I think it's kind of exciting to show you guys actual outdoor views that I'm actually seeing in Europe here. And whenever I travel, so I came back from London, I came back from Berlin, right? I shot some videos from my cell phone, but cell phone videos, it's 4K, but still it's kind of hard to combine those videos into one video. I'm pretty busy, so I kind of miss most of the opportunities to make those videos uploaded on YouTube. So from now on, I want to upload more casual daily videos here in Europe. And whenever I go on a vacation like Asia, or I'm planning to hit let's say Ibiza in Spain or Croatia for Tomorrowland or whatever, I like to share more. So stay tuned, guys. With that said, if you like this apartment tour video, then give it a thumbs up. Any question, yeah, just comment, right? With that said, I'll see you guys in next video. All right, ciao, bye.